If you're an Etsy print-on-demand seller and you're creating a brand new design for every single listing, we need to talk. Hi, my name is Emily. I'm a multi-six-figure Etsy print-on-demand seller and mom of two who scaled her Etsy shop to six figures in less than a year with no design experience and no business experience. And now I love helping others start, grow, and scale their own Etsy print-on-demand shops. And this is another episode of Coffee and Chings. I want to talk about one of the most important ways that I have grown and scaled my Etsy shop without the burnout.